Hi everybody, how are you? Hope that you are well both mentally and physically. I am Riyad Hossain Mondol, an English teacher, and welcome to my channel English with R.H. Mondol. Today we are going to learn English grammar. You should know English grammar very well if you want to get high marks in the examination and if you want to get a lucrative job in any company. So let's have a start. তাহলে শুরু করা যাক। আজকে আমরা শিখব কেমন করে সিম্পল সেন্টেন্স থেকে কমপ্লেক্স সেন্টেন্স এবং কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স তৈরি করতে হয়। আমি এখানে মোট 20টা উদাহরণ দিচ্ছি। এগুলো তুমি খাতায় টুকে নেবে, তারপর সেগুলো নিজে উত্তর করবে, তারপর উত্তর হয়ে যাওয়ার পর সেগুলো তুমি মেলাবে। টুডে উই শ্যাল লার্ন how to change simple sentences into complex and compound sentences. Here I have given some examples. Here we will get 20 simple sentences and you should try to turn them into complex and compound sentences. Then after your answer you should check them with the answers given by me. Now I can hope that you have given the answers. Now check your answers. এখন উত্তরগুলো মিলিয়ে নাও। Number 1, I can remember his comment. I can remember his comment. This is a simple sentence. Answer, I can remember what he commented. I can remember what he commented. This is a complex sentence. He commented something and I can remember it. He commented something and I can remember it. This is the compound sentence. Number 2, the police having arrived, the mob dispersed. The police having arrived, the mob dispersed. Dispersed মানে ছড়িয়ে পড়ল। This is a simple sentence. When the police arrived, the mob dispersed. When the police arrived, the mob dispersed. This is the complex sentence. Now, the compound form will be the police arrived and the mob dispersed. This police arrived and the mob dispersed. Number 3, in spite of being rich, he is unhappy. In spite of being rich, he is unhappy. This is simple sentence. Its complex form will be though he is rich, he is unhappy. Though he is rich, he is unhappy. Its compound form will be he is rich but unhappy. He is rich but unhappy. Number 4, he is respected for his wisdom. He is respected for his wisdom. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be he is respected as he is wise. He is respected as he is wise. Its compound form will be he is wise, so he is respected. He is wise, so he is respected. Number 5, I could not come because of the bad weather. I could not come because of the bad weather. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be as the weather was bad, I could not come. As the weather was bad, I could not come. Its compound form will be the weather was bad, so I could not come. The weather was bad, so I could not come. Number 6, unfortunately, he failed in the examination. Unfortunately, he failed in the examination. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be it was unfortunate that he failed in the examination. It was unfortunate that he failed in the examination. Its compound form will be he failed in the examination and it was unfortunate. He failed in the examination and it was unfortunate. Number 7, in spite of hard work, he failed. In spite of hard work, he failed. This is simple sentence. Its complex form will be though he worked hard, he failed. Though he worked hard, he failed. Its compound form will be he worked hard but he failed. He worked hard but he failed. Number 8. He succeeded by dint of hard work. He succeeded by dint of hard work. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be he succeeded because he worked hard. He succeeded because he worked hard. Its compound form will be he worked hard, so he succeeded. He worked hard, so he succeeded. Number 9. With a great effort, he climbed up the mountain. With a great effort, he climbed up the mountain. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be he climbed up the mountain as he made a great effort. He climbed up the mountain as he made a great effort. Its compound form will be he made a great effort and climbed up the mountain. He made a great effort and climbed up the mountain. Number 10. He must confess to escape punishment. He must confess to escape punishment. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be if he does not confess, he will be punished. If he does not confess, he will be punished. Its compound forms will be he must confess or he will be punished. He must confess or he will be punished. Number 11. After finishing his homework, he went to sleep. After finishing his homework, he went to sleep. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be when he finished his homework, he went to sleep. When he finished his homework, he went to sleep. Its compound form will be he finished his homework and went to sleep. He finished his homework and went to sleep. Number 12. In spite of his riches, he is unhappy. In spite of his riches, he is unhappy. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be though he is rich, he is unhappy. Though he is rich, he is unhappy. Its compound form will be he is rich but unhappy. He is rich but unhappy. Number 13. You must obey the traffic rules to escape punishment. You must obey the traffic rules to escape punishment. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be if you do not obey the traffic rules, you will be punished. If you do not obey the traffic rules, you will be punished. Its compound form will be obey the traffic rules. Otherwise, you will be punished. Obey the traffic rules. Otherwise, you will be punished. Number 14. The meeting being over, the members left the hall. The meeting being over, the members left the hall. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be when the meeting was over, the members left the hall. When the meeting was over, the members left the hall. Its compound form will be the meeting was over and the members left the hall. The meeting was over and the members left the hall. Number 15. Notwithstanding his hard work, he failed. Notwithstanding his hard work, he failed. This is a simple sentence. Notwithstanding মানে ইহা সত্ত্বেও. Its complex form will be though he worked hard, he failed. Though he worked hard, he failed. Its compound form will be he worked hard but he failed. He worked hard but he failed. Number 16. She must weep to avoid death. She must weep to avoid death. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be if she does not weep, she will die. If she does not weep, she will die. Its compound form will be she must weep or she will die. She must weep or she will die. Number 17. Raising his hat, he saluted me. Raising his hat, he saluted me. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be he raised his hat when he saluted me. He raised his hat when he saluted me. Its compound form will be he raised his hat and saluted me. He raised his hat and saluted me. Number 18. In spite of his poverty, he is happy. In spite of his poverty, he is happy. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be, though he is poor, he is happy. Though he is poor, he is happy. Its compound form will be, he is poor but happy. He is poor but happy. Number 19. We eat to live. We eat to live. This is a simple sentence. Its complex form will be, we eat so that we may live. We eat so that we may live. Its compound form will be, we want to live, so we eat. We want to live, so we eat. Number 20. Spare the rod to spoil the child. Spare the rod to spoil the child. This is a simple sentence. স্পেয়ার মানে অব্যাহতি দেয়া, ছেড়ে দেয়া, ব্যবহার না করা, প্রয়োগ না করা। তুমি যদি শাস্তি না দাও ছেলে নষ্ট হবে। ইটস কমপ্লেক্স ফর্ম উইল বি, ইফ ইউ স্পেয়ার দি রড ইউ উইল স্পয়েল দি চাইল্ড। ইফ ইউ স্পেয়ার দি রড ইউ উইল স্পয়েল দি চাইল্ড। ইটস কম্পাউন্ড ফর্ম উইল বি, spare the rod and spoil the child. Spare the rod and spoil the child. That's all from me. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, you may like, share it and subscribe my channel. যদি আমার ভিডিও তোমাদের ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই লাইক, শেয়ার এবং সাবস্ক্রাইব করবে। আর আমার ভিডিও যদি দেখতে চাও তাহলে ইউটিউবে গিয়ে লিখবে ইংলিশ উইথ RH মণ্ডল, তাহলে আমার সব ভিডিও পেয়ে যাবে। আর এখান থেকে তুমি শিখতে পারবে ইংরেজি গ্রামার এবং তুমি শিখতে পারবে স্পোকেন ইংলিশ, আর সেই সঙ্গে তোমার প্রচুর ওয়ার্ড স্টক হবে। থ্যাংক ইউ অল।